Hey there, Stephanie Faith here. So I went and turned on my Aria this morning, filled it with the water and oils and turned it on. And I see the lights coming on and the water moving, but we have no mist. So we're gonna go ahead and troubleshoot this and get back to you guys and let you know what's going on with our Aria.
Hey friends, okay, so contacted Young Living customer service because it seems as though our diffuser plate is shot. So the good news and the bad news. The bad news is that our warranty is no longer active for the Aria. The good news is you can order this tool from Young Living and it's only about $6. So it looks like a pretty easy fix. So we've gone ahead and taken off all the accessories. So I took off the dome, the thing that keeps the water from shooting out, and this part. And I've unplugged my Aria so that there's no electricity or anything, and I've emptied out all the water and wiped it clean. So this looks like a pretty simple process. Let's see if I can just zoom in a little bit, but also not get in your way with my hands. Okay. So the key, real simple, just comes right out. And the diffuser, the new diffuser plate, comes right out of there. Okay. And all you do is take the key, put it in. Let's see if you can see. I don't want to block what I'm showing you. So you just twist that out. A couple of turns. I'm right-handed and I'm doing this left-handed so I don't block you, so it's a little awkward. Let's see if I can, makes it a little easier to do it with the correct hand. Okay, so this comes out. Here's the plate, the old plate, and the new plates. So there's two different sides. I'm gonna go ahead and put that smaller side down and the larger side facing up. And I guess this rubber piece comes off of it, so that I suppose it's just there to protect it. Okay, and looking at the old one. Okay, so yes, this is the bottom, that's the top. So we'll just put that right on there. And the locking mechanism, there's the groove, so we'll just put that right back over it. Press it down. I'm gonna tighten it, finger tighten it just a drop to get it locked in there. See if you can see what I'm doing. And that's not gonna work for me, so just go put that on there. Okay, so yeah, you do need the key. It seems to make a difference. You just give that a little bit of a push, not too hard or anything. And then tighten it back up. So I'm just gonna finish tightening that. I'm gonna go ahead and pause my video and plug everything back in for you guys. And let's see what happens. All right, so I went ahead, put the pieces of my Aria back together, plugged it in, added my water, and we're gonna skip the oils for the test run and just make sure that, let's face that towards you guys, and power. Well, I guess it's gotta be able to read the sensor here. There it goes. And yes, I have succeeded in my mission and our Aria is all better. So really simple, guys. If your diffuser plate stops working, it's really not a big deal. It literally took me about 2 minutes to change out, and that was trying to avoid blocking a video. So awesome. Love our Aria. And I better go add some oils to this diffuser now, and catch you later, guys.